Sensors Management. In the Configuration menu, you can add new sensors to the platform, configure their settings, and manage locations. Only users with administrator or manager roles have access to this section. Adding a new sensor. In order to start saving sensor measurements in the Efento Cloud platform and to be able to use all of its functions, you have to activate the sensor in the platform by entering its cloud key. The cloud key is a unique 6-digit number assigned to each sensor. To activate the sensor in the platform, go to the Configuration menu. In the section New Sensors, you will see a list of sensors which are detected by your Efento gateway and can be activated in the system. To add a new sensor, click on the lock icon next to the sensor's serial number. In the pop-up window, key in the sensor's cloud key. If the key you entered is valid, and after clicking the Save button, the sensor will be activated and you will see a configuration window. Type in the new sensor's name and assign it to the location you want. Save changes with the Save button. Editing sensor settings. To change a sensor's name and/or its location, click on it in the sensor's list. In the pop-up window, make the changes and then save them with the Save button. You can also edit several sensors at once by clicking the checkbox on the left side of the sensors you wish to edit and then clicking the pencil icon above the list. In the pop-up window, type in the new sensor's name or choose their new location. Save the changes with the Save button. Turning a sensor off causes measurement data from that sensor not to be saved in the platform, and in case of rules violations, the alarm will not be initiated. In order to turn a sensor off, click the Disable button on the right side of the sensor on the list. If you wish to turn it on again, click the Enable button. If you want to turn several sensors on or off at once, simply mark their checkboxes and then click the Enable or Disable button above the list. It is also possible to turn off notifications for a selected sensor. Turning them off disables notifications about rules violations, which means that recipients will not receive email or text notifications. To turn the alarms off, click the slider on the list next to the sensor for which you want to turn the alarm off. Removing a sensor from the platform results in deleting all its measurements. In order to do so, click the Delete icon on the right side of the list next to the selected sensor and confirm removal. To remove a few sensors at once, mark their checkboxes and then click the Remove button above the list. It is impossible to restore removed sensors' measurements, but you can add the sensor to the platform again the same way you added a new sensor.